This is how you make a smooth pop-up subtitles in Premiere Pro.
I was offered $5,000 for a video, but this is when I was like 19.
In the last video, we learned how to auto-generate captions and subtitles. Today, we'll continue working on the same project. If you've noticed there's lack of smooth transition between captions, here's what you can do. First, select all the caption layers and go to the Graphics and Titles menu. Upgrade the caption to graphics so that you can easily animate it. If you've manually transcribed the audio, you can skip this step. I have changed my mind. I just want to align text at the center. For that, from Graphics panel, you can just press vertical and horizontal center button. Now, select the first graphic layer and go to the Effects panel. If you can't find it, check the Window menu and search for Transform and double-click on it to apply the effect. In the Effect Controls panel, under Transform, click the stopwatch icon next to Scale. Set it to 75 for the starting keyframe. Then, move the playhead 5 frames forward and click on Reset button. For the first keyframe, set Ease Out and Ease In for the second one. By expanding Scale, drag the right handle to the left to create a smooth animation. To add motion blur, uncheck Use Composition Shutter and set the shutter angle to 360. You can create a separate preset from this transform effect and easily apply it to the remaining captions. For that, first you need to select remaining captions and on Effects panel search for same name that you've given for your preset and double-click to apply it, or simply drag and drop. Or you can just copy the effect and paste attributes. For extra touch, consider changing the text color. If you want to make your video even better, why not try adding a cool glow effect? But hold on, since we've a bit bright video, it's bad idea to add glow effect. So first let's create black rectangle on top of the video clip and adjust its opacity, which will act as an overlay. First bring that overlay in between captions and video. And now head over to the Effects panel and search for the Alpha Glow. Once you find it, apply it to your caption. Now you can remove that stroke from the caption and head over to Effect Controls panel and, under Alpha Glow, you can adjust the brightness to 200 and the glow to 20. Don't forget to customize the colors to match your text. Feel free to play around with these settings until you get the look you want. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
I was offered $5,000 for a video, but this is when I was like 19.